बहुत कुछ दिया, बहुत कुछ सिखाया। सर सिर्फ ये वर्क प्लेस नहीं लगा मुझे कभी भी कि मैं यहाँ पे काम करने आ रही हूँ, मुझे एज ए फैमिली लगा।
I've learned so many things, lessons like, whatever was there yesterday may need to be updated tomorrow.
To express my gratitude to our team members, colleagues and directors. सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ जो डैम्स में मैंने सीखी है वो है ऑनेस्टी और ट्रांसपेरेंसी।
I cannot thank them enough for having me in DAMS. I still remember the day I joined and I was scared to take the mic on the stage because I was only used to classroom teaching with the whiteboard.
Many of you know that already I have been a student of DAMS long back. सास भी कभी बहू थी, possibly. और तो मुझे थोड़ा वर्किंग का तो पता था. As Arvind sir really said, honesty and transparency are the two main things that we are staying here.
I want to really thank complete DAMS family. First, Dr. Sumer sir, Dr. Dipti ma'am.
Thank you all of you for being a part of DAMS family. Thank you.
The last 2 years, whatever I've learned quality and uncompromising on output.
It takes time for success and it does come. It took a decade, but I would still say I'm lucky to have been associated with DAMS.
You know the full form of DAMS? दिल की आवाज़ महान लोगों के साथ.
I'm very happy that sir has given me that chance, and thank you Deepti ma'am, thank you Raj ma'am, Vidubala ma'am.
Thank you so much. I've been associated for last 10 years and I think all our teaching, my seniors have guided me a lot, especially sir and ma'am, and I have learned a lot in this journey.
Thankful to Sumer and Dipti for providing me the opportunity to teach anesthesia. और आजकल जब स्टूडेंट्स मिलते हैं और वो मुझे पहचानते हैं कि सर आप डैम्स में थे ना, तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
Sir and ma'am have been epitome of my journey and now part of my extended family, like a family now.
So thankful to all of you and sir and ma'am. Seriously speaking, अब मैं और बोलूँगा तो इमोशनल हो जाऊँगा. बस मैं यही बोलना चाहता हूँ, थैंक यू सो मच.
Whenever I feel down, I always make sure first I'll call Raj ma'am and कि सर थर्सडे को दिल्ली क्लास के लिए आना है, थर्सडे को फ्री है या मंडे को फ्री है. 10 मिनट बैठो, you end up getting a booster of positivity which will carry you for next 6 to 8 months.
The way you are extracting and motivating makes us to work a lot, and we will try to our level best to make a height to the. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
मेरा ड्रीम था कि मुझे डैम्स में पढ़ाना है. उस ड्रीम को मैं पाके बड़ा खुश हूँ. मेरी वाइफ मुझे एक ही वर्ड बोलती है कि डैम्स से ही शादी कर लो.
I'm taking one topic for just 5 minutes. He gave a lot of feedback. You write in capitals, your handwriting is going like this. That changed my head rate.
I always come with a list of problems and he's always there to listen to me. And ma'am, you're always there. I think I hardly meet you 3 or 4 times in a year. But your 1 or 2 liners always makes me and boost me.
Thanks for this award, and I always appreciate sir and ma'am because of whom we are here. And I thanks एक फैकल्टी जो हमें मोटिवेट करती है.
To all the teachers here, you're all rock stars.
Dr. Sumer is an absolutely rare blend of both academics and entrepreneurship.
And thank you to all the faculties. आप लोगों के वजह से मुझे सारी तारीफें मिलती है. So thank you so much.
I want to thank and love and respect everyone who is contributing for this. It's a thank you once again. Thank you.
This has been probably the most beautiful journey of my life. So thank you so much.
It's been not been a very long association as a faculty member, but as a student, it's been a very long association.
Fantastic to see this gathering, and I think this goes a big way because it develops the comradeship and we all work as a family. Thank you so much.
यहाँ तो लिखा हुआ है 25 years. It's not just 25 years. It is probably 25,000 years of many of our lives.
Started my journey as a student. Today I am standing here with the experience of 9 years of teaching. I would always continue this. Yes, I won't change. मैं 8:30 बजे ही शुरू करूँगा, 1:30 बजे ही ब्रेक दूंगा और रात में 8:30 तक पढ़ाऊँगा.
Last year was a very roller coaster ride for me because lot of pressure of taking all the batches and with exposure to all kinds of students, North India, South India, Western part, everywhere. but I think sir has been very supportive and ma'am also.
स्टाफ है, किसी ने कभी भी ऐसा नहीं बोला, ऐसा कभी नहीं लगा कि हम किसी ऑफिस में काम कर रहे हैं ना. इट्स लाइक ए फैमिली एंड इट्स बीन ए ग्रेट जर्नी एंड आई एम श्योर दैट आगे भी ये फैमिली सपोर्ट और ये हमें मिलता रहेगा.
Really, when it started and start getting the positive feedback not only from the students but from the respective sir and madam, and then it eases out my journey.
मैं एक बच्ची बन के यहाँ आई थी एज अ स्टूडेंट एंड मुझे नहीं कभी भी आई नेवर बिलीव दैट आई कुड अचीव वट एवर आई अचीव टुडे. एंड आई थिंक सर और मैम ने इतना रास्ता दिखाया. दे बिलीव्ड इन मी, दे टोल्ड मी all the way, and I am indebted and no words can express my gratitude towards sir and ma'am.
I believe in karma. I believe in a theory where there is no regret. Either you win, either you learn. And I have learned so many lessons, actually so many lessons. And I feel myself a blessed kid जिसने इतनी छोटी सी एज में बहुत कुछ सीख लिया इस इंडस्ट्री के बारे में.
At the end of the day, only thing that matters is the relationship between student and teacher.
I would say there is only one pillar on which DAMS is standing. It's not Dr. Sumer, it's not me. It's the team that we are.
बहुत सारे लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं एग्जिट करने के लिए, हम तो अभी शुरू किए हैं. Thank you very much. I'm grateful for all the support and all the love that I've received over the years. Thank you.